I'm going to Tesco.
Eliza's first visit to Tesco in 3 months. Yeah, all the play area things have gone in.
You have to follow the lines.
Yeah, follow the lines. Don't want to?
I do, because last
Look,
time
there's an arrow there.
me.
And keep 2 meters distance.
Yes, because last time Mommy lost. Remember that time when I was 4? She lost. That's a few pounds. Wait, it didn't.
Well, you keep touching the mask.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch it. Right, get them. Lots of oranges. To stop the coronavirus. Don't throw them in. You're gonna damage them.
That's problem. Oh no! Back to next.
Get some milk, green milk.
Which one?
Lower down. No, from here. This one.
This one.
Yeah.
My milk.
Yeah. Bring the trolley here. Come on, it's going to close in half an hour.
How are we going to have to follow the arrow? I don't want
Where are they?
one here. One here. That's here.
Follow the arrows. Most people don't.
Because I don't care.
Yeah. Most people don't follow the arrows. Is it any good? Do you want it or what? We haven't got time.
I want. Wait, what are these? Are they a bottle?
Do you want touch?
What's this?
Don't touch, I said.
Oh, sorry.
What do you want that? Balls.
Yeah, I missed it. Oh,
Right.
my mask fell down.
Are you messing about with your mask?
My mask fell down.
Come on then, get the balls.
Hold it. My love.
£6.
There's a plenty of time. We can just take it all.
Yeah, there's plenty of toilet paper now. Unlike a few weeks ago. Or months.
Or maybe if there's a kid comes, they put our toilet paper.
Now go on, walk down. Don't keep touching your mask. Most people don't follow the arrows anyway. Some idiots even cough as you walk past. You got a mask on and the idiot coughs as you walk past. Right, twat. What sweets do you want? Quick. This side. Don't take too long.
I don't want any food.
Following the arrows, most people don't.
Wanna go?
So at least 50% don't.
I've got this.
You want that? There's a Nika like that. I'll get her one as well.
2 buttons.
Right, put in the trolley. I think that's everything. Oh, half price. Oh, cheap.
Oh, I really want to hold the bowl.
So you've enjoyed your trip to Tesco?
Of course, I can take a bowl.
Right.
My favorite thing.
Let's just get some ice stuff before it closes.
With ice stuff?
Yeah, chicken and ice cream. Which ice cream do you want? It's closed. Which one do you want that? Get it then. Get it if you want it. One is closed now.
I'll just take it.
You get 2.
I'll just take it.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's stuff like this.
Right, that should be enough.
Now let's leave and open my
Present.
I can't wait to open my toy.
Yeah. Come on, let's go then.
I'm so lively at home and open my toy straight away. Check up now.
Check out. Put the stuff on the... What are you doing? Put the stuff here. What you got?
When I home, I'll straight away open this ball pit.
When you get home.
Yeah. That's my day in Tesco.
First-
Shopping in Tesco.
First shopping.
Shopping in
3 months.
shopping. Now time. Come here, come on.
Oh, stop it. No, you're not supposed to play with the balls like that.
That's how you play. That's how you play. Oh.
You're gonna end up breaking them. Put them back in the bag
Yeah.
and put them in that little swimming pool tomorrow.
Yeah. And I'll wash your accidents.
Yeah, put them all back in before you break them.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna fill it up. Oh. That looks crisp.
It's full.
Got some out here.
£6 from Tesco.
Balls. My old friends.
You go swimming without water now. Two for £10, I think. 1 for 6. Is it good? How long before you get bored with it?
What?
What's gonna happen when Googie comes?
Hit him with this.
We're gonna be throwing at each other.
Like that.
How you were last night.
That's like fun. You know?
This is more fun than a chair, isn't it?
What?
You were gonna buy a chair, remember?
Yeah. I didn't want to buy that because I can buy them for my birthday money because it's my birthday.
This is the same birthday money you spend every time you go shopping. That lasts forever. How come your birthday money lasts forever? Every time you go shopping, I'm spending my birthday money.
Yeah. Nika saves it.
Yeah, she does the same as well. Birthday money that lasts forever. You know, I'm spending it with my birthday money. I just keep spending forever.